AI means artificial intelligence, which is increasing with time, and today I have brought for you an AI website through which you can dub any video in Hindi, English, Urdu, or any other language. You can do a lot more with this. I will tell you that at the end of the video. Let's talk about dubbing a video right now, and that too for free. You can dub any video of YouTube or any movie clip or any movie in your preferred language. So friends, today's video is going to be very important. Don't skip the video at all. So friends, first of all you have to go to the Chrome browser. On Chrome, you have to search for Dubverse. Dubverse, which you will see on the top of the website. This is your destination. You have to open this. You will see this interface. Now you have to click on Get Start for free. Now you have to click on Continue with Google, and you have to log in with your email ID. After that you have to click on Create Project. Now friends, you will see a dub here. You have to click on it. Now I will tell you something which is very useful for you. If there is any YouTube channel on which English video is available, then you can dub it in Hindi and make your own script, add some bits from your site and upload it on your own YouTube channel so that there will be no copyright on it. So friends, I will show you a video by dubbing. Below the dub, it is written add video. You have to click on it. Now you have been given 4 options here. First is cloud upload. You can upload video in this. Second is local upload. You can upload and dub videos in your phone. Third is connect your YouTube channel. You can connect your YouTube channel from here and dub all the videos in different languages. Number 4 is paste YouTube video link. You can paste any random video link here and dub it. So let's try it. I will open YouTube and copy and paste the link of any English video. It will automatically detect the video. Then you have to click on next. Now you have to see in which voice you want to dub your video. There are many options here. You can dub any voice by checking any voice. You have to click on the plus symbol below the voice you like and then click on Let's Dub. It will ask you some questions whether you are a YouTuber or your own company or you want to dub individual videos for yourself. You can dub on whichever platform you want. This is just a formality, nothing more than this. Let's click on YouTube. It will take some time in the process. You can dub your video like this. I will tell you some special things about this website. You can create a subtitle for any video with this. You can also do text-to-speech with this website. Text-to-speech voice is of very good quality. You can try it once. You might like it. Upload the video link here. You can also create a subtitle here. You can upload the YouTube video link here. You have to click on text-to-speech. You can write any text here, and now you can select the language you want. Click on the plus symbol. If you have run out of credit, you can log in with your new email ID.